Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming what your Mac Mini actually offers: HDMI and one or more Thunderbolt/USB-C ports. Once done, pick the right adapters. Use active adapters for display port-only monitors or higher resolutions. Make sure each monitor's native resolution and refresh rate match what the Mac Mini supports so you don't get scaled, blurry output. Prepare cables and power for every display. Finally, power on the Mac Mini and monitors, so the system can detect connected screens as you proceed to connect them. You now connect each monitor to its assigned port, labeling cables so you remember which is which. Once connected, boot to macOS and open System Settings, then Displays. Click Detect Displays if one doesn't appear. Drag the blue display icons to match physical layout and assign the primary display by dragging the menu bar indicator. Adjust resolution and scaling per monitor to avoid mismatched sizes. Enable HDR or night shift only if supported. Make sure mirroring is off unless you want identical output. You finish by testing real workflows. Play video, drag windows across displays, and check color/brightness uniformity. If a monitor remains blank, immediately reseat the cable and swap ports or adapters to isolate the faulty component. Power cycle that monitor and the Mac Mini, then recheck System Settings displays. If problems persist, update macOS, reset NVRAM/SMC, and test with a different cable or monitor. Remember, adapters and cable bandwidth often cause issues, so replace the adapter before assuming the Mac is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.